Umizo. Successful sport stallions united. In 2021, Tobago Z was the best show jumper in the world under the saddle of Daniel Deuser, and his oldest offspring are already competing at the highest levels, such as Orak Damwik, Trixie Z and Otello de Guldenboom. Umizo's Grand Dam is a sibling to the international 150-level show jumper James Blonde, ridden by Patrick Lemon, as well as the 140-level competing jumping horse Elise. This dam line has already produced international show jumpers and eventing horses, and from this direct branch also originates the 150-level horse Happiness.